Welcome to the Fast Tracks Academy. In this cashier training video, I'll be showing you how to do a daily reconciliation. If you're watching this video, you should have already watched the shift reconciliation video. If not, please click on the link above before going any further. Once you're logged into the POS, you'll go ahead and select Action. You will select Reconciliation, and the first step is to click Add Daily Reconciliation. You have the option to include today's shifts or not include today's shifts. That will entirely depend on your situation. For our sake here, we're going to include today's shifts. Once the daily reconciliation has been created, you'll get a success message as shown here and click Close. At this point, we're going to see our daily reconciliation list, and we will select the daily reconciliation that we wish to work off of. Once we open the daily reconciliation, you will notice that it looks very similar to the shift reconciliation, and there is a very good reason for that. The daily reconciliation's purpose is to combine the shift reconciliations for the day, so that way when you run a reconciliation report, you have all of your shifts combined. The first thing we're going to do is select Verify Shifts down in the bottom, and we are going to select our shift and select Verify Shift. As you can see, the shift amounts are going to show in the center column. And as the manager doing the daily shift reconciliation, it is my job to ensure those numbers are correct. If there is a variance of any sort, such as a missing dollar, you will notice on the right-hand side, it will show you the difference. We're going to go ahead and save this now. We'll close it. And now this has been completed. We can see our cashier values or manager values. If I select the cashier value, you'll notice I see $122. If I select the manager value, you'll see I am $1 short. Once everything has been put in, if we need to, we can add notes just like the shift reconciliation. And then we can go ahead and select the reconciliation is final. Once complete, we'll go ahead and click Save. You'll get a success message here. Close it. We will verify and finalize. We'll get another success message here. We'll get another success message after that. And at this point, we can click Cancel to exit out of here. And at this point, you will see the daily reconciliation has been finalized, and you can also see the notes. For more information, visit goftx.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more training videos. And for more cashier training, please check out our cashier training courses in the FTx Academy. Have yourself a wonderful day.